Question 2. Matchsticks are arranged to form numbers as shown. To form the number 15, one needs 7 matchsticks. To form the number 8, one needs the same amount. What is the biggest number that one can build using 7 matchsticks? To find out the biggest number we can make using 7 matchsticks, let's start by looking option E. In option E, the number 800 has most digits, so we can start by looking at it. Since the digit 8 already uses 7 matchsticks just by itself, adding 2 more zeros would definitely need more than 7 matchsticks, so 800 won't work. Next, let's check option D, which is 711. To make the number 7, we need 3 matchsticks, and each one uses 2 matchsticks. So that's 3 plus 2 plus 2, which add up to exactly 7 matchsticks. Perfect. So the biggest number we can build using 7 matchsticks is 711, and that means the correct answer is option D.